From News Talk 820 AM, WBAP.
In the WBAP Weather Center, a severe thunderstorm warning is being issued for Erath, Hood, and Somerville counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hamilton County, southeastern Erath County, northwestern Bosque County until 9:45. A severe thunderstorm is located near Iredell, or 21 miles southeast of Stephenville, moving west at 25 miles per hour. In addition to that, severe thunderstorms are also reported in Somerville County, Erath, and southwestern Hood County. A severe thunderstorm located northwest of Dinosaur Valley State Park, or 11 miles southwest of Granbury, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Locations impacted by this storm include Stephenville, Morganville, and Tolar. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for northwestern Somerville County, central Erath County, and southwestern Hood County until 10 p.m. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.